I was gonna get the big size, but I decided to just get this sample once I was checking out. I have been wearing it. Hello everyone, hope all is well. This is Teresa, aka 50 Plus 2013. I just have a haul for you today, and this haul is gonna be stuff from 99-cent store and Walmart, other than Rihanna makeup little sample duo that I got from Sephora, and it's a highlighter and this lip gloss. And I'm just going to put the lip gloss on now because I saw somebody talking about it on YouTube, and I thought, well, you know, I want to try that because I am a lip gloss person, and it's just so cute. I just got this. I was going to get the big size, but I decided to just get this sample once I was checking out. I have been wearing it, and it feels really, really good on the lips, and it don't last very long. I don't know. It kind of goes away just from talking, and I don't remember really lasting like past an hour or so. But anyways, I really like it nevertheless, and it was a good way for me to try it before I bought the full size tube. These two little pieces here were cheaper than buying the one lipstick. All the makeup stuff I have great coupons off for it, so I was so happy that I'm able to try something new and then buy some of my old favorites. But this was from the 99-cent store. These are little Pyrex type of glass pans. Two little ones. I don't know, I just think they're so cute. And I don't really need this, but I was thinking maybe I can use this as a base for a packaging for a gift. So I have a son that likes to cook and a daughter that's a chef. So I feel like maybe I will somehow, you know, make it where I can just put something else in it and just have it like the base for it instead of a basket, like a gift idea. Bunch of randomness. Okay, besides the fact I don't really like to haul clothes unless I just do a haul showing all clothes. But I did pick up some leggings, some cute leggings for the gym from Walmart for like $3. I got this nail polish. This is Sally Hansen's nail polish, and this was $1. You can see that. And this nice burgundy looking color. This kind of green, mint green color. All $1 each. And then this nude color. And then a purple color, which would be good for the spring. I had a fantastic coupon off on this. This is a good foundation for, you know, it's one of those long wearing type of foundations, basically, is what I want to say. This is has been my holy grail. Haven't used it in a while because I have so many other foundations. So this may not be my holy grail going forward, but it was for since the time it came out up until, you know, recently. And from Walmart, I picked up 2 baking sodas, which it's perfect because that I'm doing this haul because I was just checking the expiration date on the one that's in the freezer now. And it says to replace it every month. I didn't think you have to replace it so often, and it's the big one, the real big one. So I think that I'm going to buy the small ones to keep the fridge and freezer, you know, the air clean in there. I picked up a hair color. And this is one that I really like because I'm not allergic to whatever. This is not a dye, it's a hair color, but I'm not allergic to it because some hair colors I'm a little bit allergic to also. But this is something that you can use like right after you perm, so that's the beauty of this. And it's just dark and lovely. I picked up at Walmart this Brita, and it's just a filter for my Brita. I did a video demonstrating how to use a Brita. And I guess I'll try to find that video and link it if you like. Other than that, just scroll through, and I think it was about a good 6 months ago or more, and you will see me demonstrating a Brita, how to use it. I picked this up with a great coupon. This is what a great coupon, and this is just some Listerine mouthwash. I picked this up with a great coupon. Now this is something new, I think, and it's L'Oreal. It's the Extraordinary Oil Rapid Reviver Deep Conditioner, and it smells so good. This one is for dry hair. And oh, by the way, update, I had a phone doctor's appointment today, and my doctor was saying that maybe my thyroid is off, and and maybe that's contributing to my hair problems. So I did start out with the dermatologist, and we were playing phone tag for over a week now. So I did have pre-scheduled doctor's appointment for today, and so she's going to be prescribing me some sort of medication for that. So hopefully with the other things that are in place, my hair is back to recovery, and my nails, hopefully. But anyway, so since my hair has been dry, I picked this deep conditioner up. And it smells so good. I just said that. This is another thing that I had a great coupon offer. And this is the L'Oreal Revitalift Derm Intensive 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid, a serum. And it's saying that you should see your skin results immediately. So this is something, this is what it looks like. I had been seeing this in magazines, and I kind of had it on my my little mental wish list. I knew that I kind of was more attracted to because of the bottle and all that. But yeah. Has like a dropper in there. It's a dropper thing. But yeah, so this is at Walmart, and it's like normally like I think 23 or something like that. But I got it with a great coupon. It's like that same flyer that had coupons in it. It had everything that I like. You know, sometimes there's these flyers and they come out and it has a bunch of coupons for dog stuff or this, that, and the other. But I was so excited to find makeup items and things that I just wanted to try, which that was one of the things. I got these for $1.50 each, and basically I'm going to be headed out to Bible study. I'm just getting home from work and filming, but I'm going to give these to my granddaughters. This is what I picked up at Walmart. Reed diffusers, and this is in lavender, and this one is in apple ginger. Then I have another one that's in some sort of antique rose scent. I wouldn't get these because I put it in the bathroom, the smallest room, because it is a small little thing. But you can't even smell it unless I have so many scents going on in my house, it's just drowning it out. I don't know. I don't like that though. I really feel like those type of things, once it evaporates up into the wood, you should be able to smell it. And you know I live for a good scent and a good smelling house. We're going to do the pharmaceutical, and then we're going to end with some cleaning products. Yes. So I can hurry up and get on that bus and get ready for get to Bible study. So I picked up some iron pills because I was really lightheaded and stuff. It's like after I had those 2 surgeries, it kind of threw me off, and just I really wasn't feeling myself. I was feeling lightheaded, dizzy, and all that. And then they did say my iron level was down when I went to see the dermatologist. So I picked up a bottle of iron, and then just on my own, what fell on the floor is B12, and then I got vitamin D. And I already take a multivitamin. I hauled that the last time. So I wanted to add these to it. And then I have a vitamin C. Oh, you know what? What is that one that I like? Yeah, there's one more vitamin that I need to add. But so I felt so excited when I got off the phone with my doctor. She already called in the prescription, the things that I need to start to get on. Tomorrow I'll be picking those up at the pharmacy. I got this from the 99-cent store, and it's the Awesome brand. And I think the Awesome brand is a pretty good brand coming from the 99-cent store, and it is 99 cents. And this is a streak-free cleaning vinegar. Gently cleans most surfaces. But I tried to use it the other day, and it just smells like vinegar water. So I guess you can just make your own, really. And you probably can just continue to reuse the spray bottle and make your own for future cleaning. And that's good for people that's allergic to the chemicals and things that chemicals and ingredients that are in cleaning products. It's always a good way to go with the vinegar. And I know it's very potent in the beginning, but it does subside. So yeah. Then I got the classic Comet Classic Home Cleanser. It's for the bathroom. And then I also have some laundry pre-wash. And I just thought I'd try this out for some stains and things that I get on clothes. And since I have to go in the apartment to the wash place, the laundry area, you know, I don't do laundry every day. So I figured that'd be a great way to kind of get stuff that I feel like might stain, or like makeup on my collars and stuff. I can pre-wash it that way. All right, so you guys, I'm starting to feel a little distracted because of the time, but I did want to get this haul out, and I'm just happy about the coupon items and the markdown items. And the Rihanna stuff, this is my first Rihanna item. Alrighty, so as usual, thumbs up the video, turn on that bell, guys. You have to turn on that bell because YouTube is just set up where it's just people aren't getting notified. And I'm guessing if you subscribe and the bell, that doubles your chance of getting notification. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you on my next one.